Hi, I'm Mitch from Infinite Robotics. We're up in Queensland installing one of our Cobot welders at ATD Customs. ATD Customs make really awesome bull bars for Land Cruisers and Ford Rangers, and this Cobot's only going to add to that. So in terms of the setup, this is a basic setup or an indicative setup from Infinite Robotics. We've got a dual station setup. Dual station setup means that while the robot's working on one side, you can have the operator loading and unloading on the other side. That keeps the robot welding as long as possible, so you get more productivity. On this side here, we've got our 2-axis rotator. So that allows you to rotate the part so that you can get access to all the welds in the best position. And because that's all integrated here through the FANUC Cobot, you can also use coordinated motion. So coordinated motion will allow you to rotate the part while welding at the same time. In terms of programming, it's all done here through the tablet Teach Pendant. It's just an app running on a Samsung Galaxy. Very easy to use. There's really no programming. You're basically drag and dropping icons onto the screen. If you can use your smartphone, then you won't have any trouble using this. In terms of Cobot, we've got the FANUC CRX. FANUC is the biggest robot company in the world. All of their robots are designed for industrial grade use. This one here comes with 8 years of zero maintenance, so you know FANUC really back it. Our customer ATD Customs, they make beautiful bull bars, have decided to build the cell themselves, and you can see here in the steel work, the beautiful workmanship. And we've just supplied the Cobot, the positioner and the welding system, as well as the training and installation. The training's all hands-on, so we're training the guys here to be ready to run from day one. So we can have a quick walk around the cell just to have a look at the scale of it so you can get an idea for what kind of systems we supply. So if we walk around the side here, on this station here we've got the bench top where you can mount the jigs to weld your parts that don't really need to be flipped over or reorientated to weld. If you were going to do that, you'd put it on the other side with the positioner. And then around the back, we've got our Fronius power source. 500 amp water-cooled system. The water-cooled system means that you're going to get longer life out of your consumables because the robots are typically welding longer. So that water-cooled system just allows it to run longer. You really wouldn't want to use gas-cooled on a robot welder because you're going to end up wearing out your consumables a lot more. In terms of setting up your welding procedures, it's all done here on the Fronius system, and then the FANUC robot calls up the job number. So it's pretty easy to program. I mean, if you can already use your Fronius welder or your welder that you've got in your shop, you won't have any problem programming this one. So that's it from us. We're going to get back to the training and the installation. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching and happy welding.